Hello gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clan in Destiny 2. To do so, you first need to open up a web browser and on the URL bar type in bungie.net, which will take you to the official website for Bungie. Now click on Destiny 2. So once you're in the Destiny 2 screen, make sure you're logged in. And once you're logged in, click on Community or hover your mouse on top of Community and you'll see this option called My Clan. Click on it. I'll wait for this to load. And here you'll see this option called Create Clan. Click on it. Now, fill out all the details for your clan. So, scroll down. Here are all the options for you to customize your clan. And here you'll see this option called Create Clan. Once you fill out all the forms properly, click on Create Clan and your clan will be created. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Sace.